Hello children, in continuation with exercise 2.4 linear equation in one variable, our next question is number 4. One of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digits of the two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? This is related to same as like question number 3 which we have done in previous session. So two-digit number, ones place and tens place. One of the digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. So again here we will suppose digit at ones place be x. Therefore digit at tens place it is 3 times means 3x. Let digit at ones place be x, therefore digit at tens place will be 3x. This is 3 times. Now original number formed. Multiply digit at tens place by 10 and digit at 1 place by 1. 10 into 3x plus 1 into x, which is 30x plus x, that is 31x. So this is your original number. Now in the question what is written next? If you interchange the digits of this two-digit number, again in the same way we have to interchange the digits. Now here at ones place x, this will go at tens place. Tens place 3x, this will go at ones place. By interchanging the digits, new number will be 10 into x plus 1 into 3x, which means 10x plus 3x, that is 13x. So this number is new number and this is the original. Again read the question. When we interchange the digits and add to the resulting number, it means original number added to new number, the result is you get 88. You get 88. So according to question, original number plus new number, you get 88 by adding both. So 31 plus 13, 44. 44x is equal to 88. X is equal to 88 upon 44. Reduce it, it is 2. So x is equal to 2. The question is what is the original number? So we have to find what is original number. So original number is 31x, which means 31 into 2, that is 62. So 62 is the original number. Next question is, Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. Mother is 6 times. So what we have to suppose here? Let Shobo's present age be x years. Therefore Shobo's mother's present age will be 6x years, because mother is 6 times Shobo's age. Then Shobo's age 5 years from now will be, so after 5 years, age of Shobo will be, present age is x, after 5 years he will be x plus 5 years. Now according to question, Shobo's age 5 years from now will be. So x plus 5, this is Shobo's age 5 years from now or after 5 years, will be one third of his mother's present age. One third of his mother's present age. What is mother's present age? 6x. Right? So x plus 5, Shobo's age is one third of his mother's present age. Reduce this, 3 2s are 6. X plus 5 equals to 2x. Transpose the term. So I am shifting this x to right hand side. 5 is equal to 2x minus x. 5 is equal to x, or x is equal to 5, which means therefore present age of Shobo is x, which is 5 years, and present age of mother, which is 6x, that is 6 into 5, 30 years. So it means present age of Shobo is 5 years and mother is 30 years. Next question is, there is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mahuli village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio of 11:4. It means 11 is length and 4 part is the breadth. At the rate of rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. Fence means to make the boundary of the plot. So if this is a rectangular plot, ratio of length is to breadth is 11 and 4. So if 11x is the length, 4x will be the breadth. Then to fence, it means this outer boundary. This outer boundary or fence is known as perimeter. So we have to find out the perimeter. It means to construct 1 meter fence, it cost 100. Next more 1 meter, 100 more rupees. 1 meter, 100 more rupees. It means we have to know, we should know what is the total length of the boundary, then we'll multiply that perimeter by rupees 100 to know what is the cost. So first we will suppose here, let length of the plot be 11x. Before that you can write ratio of length to breadth is equal to 11:4. So this is length, therefore breadth of the plot will be 4x. Units, so here unit is meter. Perimeter of the plot 2 into L plus B, 2 into 11x plus 4x, 2 into 15x, which is 30x. So this is the perimeter. Cost of fencing 1 meter is equal to rupees 100. Cost of fencing 30x is equal to 100 into 30x, which means 3000x. So this is the total cost of fencing. But actual cost is given rupees 75,000. This is also the total cost which we have calculated by our supposition, and this is the actual cost which is given in the question. So according to question, 3000x is equal to 75,000. 1000. X is equal to 75,000 upon 3000. Reduce it, 25. So X is equal to 25. This is the value of X. This X is the common factor for length and breadth, which we got ratio. So length of plot was 11x, which means 11 into 25, which is 275 meter, and breadth of plot is 4x, which is 4 into 25, 100 meter. So this is the dimensions of the plot. Length is 275 and breadth is 100. Next question is half of a herd of deer, herd means group of deer are grazing in the field, and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. Understand this with the help of this figure. Suppose this is the total number of deer here. So now half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field. It means, okay, so first of all we will suppose let total number of deer will be X. So this is all total number of deer. So half, it means this much portion. These are grazing in the field. Grazing. So if total are X, then what is half of X? That is X by 2. So number of deer grazing in the field is equal to X by 2, half of X. Now if half of X are grazing, what is remaining? Therefore remaining number of deer will be half. This is also half. So this is leftover half. Then and 3/4 of the remaining. It means this is the remaining. So 3/4 of this remaining are playing nearby. So number of deer playing nearby, 3/4 of remaining. This is remaining X by 2, which is 3x upon 8. Then it is written the rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. 9 is the number of deer. So number of deer drinking water is equal to 9. This is half grazing in the field. 3/4 of remaining half, they are playing nearby, and remaining 9 are drinking water. So it means this all together 1, 2, 3. If we add, we will get total number of deer. So according to question, X is the total number of deer, which is equal to number of deer grazing in the field plus number of deer playing nearby plus number of deer drinking water. So X is equal to we will solve this, or we can shift this variable term, both variable terms, to left hand side. So x minus x upon 2 minus 3x upon 8 equals to 9. Write 1 here. Now take LCM of 1, 2 and 8. It is 8 only. 1 8 side, 8 into x, 8x. 2 4 side, 4 into x, 4x. 8 one side, 1 into 3, 3x. 8x minus 4x, 4x. 4x minus 3x is x. Cross multiply or shift this 8. 8 is divided here, right hand side it is multiplied. So x is equal to 9 into 8, which is equal to 72, which means total number of deer in the herd is equal to 72. So this is the total number of deer.
Okay.
So children, now next question. This is for you only. Try this question. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. Try this question. Next also, Aman's age is 3 times his son's age 10 years ago. Ago means previous, pehle. He was 5 times his son's age. Find their present ages. Try these two questions yourself. I will share solutions of these two questions in the coming session. Till then, bye.